This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to zoom Excel pages. Let's start with the basics. You can easily adjust your view magnification using the zoom slider located in the status bar at the bottom right of your Excel window. For more control, navigate to the View tab on the ribbon, where you'll find several zoom options. You can even zoom directly to a selected area of your spreadsheet, making it simple to focus on specific data. For more precise control over your view, open the Zoom dialog box. You can find this under the View tab. Here, you can set a custom zoom level, anywhere from 10% to 400%, allowing you to fine-tune your display. This dialog also offers the convenient option to zoom to fit a selection, ensuring your chosen cells are perfectly visible within your current window. Want to zoom even faster? Try these quick methods. Hold down the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel up or down to zoom in or out instantly. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Alt, then W, then Q to open the Zoom dialog box without using your mouse. And to quickly return to a standard view, simply click the 100% zoom button on the status bar. Did you know you can zoom multiple worksheets at once? Just select and group them before adjusting the zoom, and all grouped sheets will update together. Remember, your custom zoom settings are saved with your Excel workbook, so your preferred view will be there when you reopen it. For more great tips and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, look for the link and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.